Hello, greetings from Booneri. Today's topic of bizarre news is the man who cut his own arm. What? Why would anyone cut his own arm? Let's watch ahead. The name of this man is Aron Ralston, who will be signed as AR for your reference. He was the one who cut his own right arm. But why? What's his story? Let me tell you. Aron was born on October 27, 1975 in USA. He was a mechanical engineer by profession, but he had keen interest in mountaineering. With that in mind, he decided to quit his job and began pursuing his skills in mountain climbing. He was in Colorado and had a goal of climbing all the peaks that are over 14,000 feet. He aimed to achieve the feat of climbing all those peaks. But something happened in his life that changed him completely. What was the life-changing incident of Aron's life? It so happened that on April 26, 2003, Aron Ralston was canyoneering alone in USA. He was hiking and trekking his journey, and then he was passing through the middle in the gorge. While descending the lower part of the canyon, he dislodged a suspended large rock that fell and crushed his right hand against the wall. It was so huge that it was not possible for him to free his hand. What happened next? Take a look. Aron, having the boulder stuck on his hand, thought that it was impossible for him to survive because he had not informed anyone of his hiking plans. He had decided and gone there all by himself. Another thing was that even if he had any rescue help in the gorge, it would have been difficult to trace him in that canyon. Also, he didn't have a mobile phone back then, so he couldn't be traced anyway. He was out all by himself. There seemed no way, hence he thought he would die. In spite of trying hard, he couldn't move the stone. He had only 350 ml water approximately and just 2 burritos, which he ate slowly. He endured and tried for 1, 2, 3 days to lift and break the boulder, but he was unsuccessful. The stone was too heavy. He couldn't free himself. So he understood that if he wanted to be out of that place, he would have to cut through the bones in his arm. But he didn't have anything to do so. He still kept trying, but nothing worked. So he had no choice. He was running out of food and water, and hence he had to drink his own urine. Later, on the 4th day, with the boulder still on his hand, he struggled even more to get rid of it. And when he couldn't see any ray of hope, on the opposite wall in front of him, he carved his date of birth and presumed date of death. He also videotaped his last goodbyes to his family, as he thought he would no longer be alive to meet his family again. During the night, he began hallucinating a vision. He started seeing himself alive, and that too playing with a child. He imagined his future child with him, but he noticed that his right arm was amputated. What happened next? Watch ahead. with that big stone still stuck on his hand. When Aaron woke up in the morning on the next day, he saw that his hand had started to decompose. He had no other choice but to chop his arm. He tried to twist his arm and break the bone. In spite of the unimaginable pain, he kept on trying and did it, and the bone broke with a sound. The next was muscles that he had to do away with. He was carrying a small multi-tool. He used that and was trying hard, but he was unable to cut it. So, he took its pliers to cut the muscles. The painful process took an hour. That's not the end. He hiked out of the canyon and kept walking and struggling for nearly 9.7 kilometers alone, after which he met a family who was on a vacation. When they saw Aaron, they immediately gave him some water and food and promptly alerted the authorities. He was then picked up by a helicopter and given immediate treatment, and his life was saved. The authorities then reached the same spot where the boulder was stuck and they removed it. It was weighing 360 kilograms. They also retrieved Aaron's arm that was stuck and then cremated it. 6 months later, Aaron returned to the same accident spot and recollected the heart-wrenching time he had spent there. He scattered the ashes of his arm in that same place. There's a movie named 127 Hours based on his story of the time he spent there. Aaron's life story is shocking and inspirational to all because even though he lost his arm, he didn't lose his determination to live. He never gave up and continued his efforts until he was successful.